Do you find every time you go away for a weekend break, you end up grabbing the majority of your wardrobe and trying to force it down into a small weekend bag? I do it all the time, but I've found an approach that has served me well, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Now, I don't always do this because I do like to take some extra clothing with me. I like to have variety and I like to have my options. I like to keep my options open, basically. But if you are going for a weekend away and you want to travel light, then I've got the perfect pieces that you can take with you that will cover you for pretty much any situation. If you're going hiking in the mountains, this probably won't be the video for you, but if you're going for like a casual weekend away or maybe a bit of a smarter romantic getaway, these pieces will definitely have you covered. Obviously, don't forget your medication, whatever you might take. I'm not going to cover that in this video. Any plasters, paracetamol, all that kind of stuff. I'll leave you in charge of that. But this one will cover you for your outfits and your toiletries and your charger. Don't forget your charger. But anyway, let's get into the video and I'll show you exactly what I pack for a weekend away. Enjoy. So let's start with toiletries because they're the easiest thing to forget, so I like to do them at the start. So hair cream for the locks, deodorant, normally whatever's on offer at the local supermarket. So for shampoo, conditioner and body wash, I've got these travel size things from Aesop and they do the job perfectly. They're not an all-in-one, but I don't need to show you all 3 bottles because they all look exactly the same. Your standard toothbrush, nice one this one actually. Toothpaste to use with the toothbrush. A mini travel size fragrance, I've chosen some Santal 33 because I like it. A razor to spruce yourself up for those smarter occasions. For face lubrication, I just use conditioner when I'm traveling because I don't want to take a huge foam thing with me. Conditioner does the job. Some moisturizer. And just in case I tear my face to shreds with the lack of shaving foam, I take a face cream. So let's get packing, and charger first because it's the thing I always forget, so make sure you do that first. Next up, we're going to pick some shoes. You can choose a pair of casual shoes. If I'm going for a weekend away, I normally just like to take 1 pair of shoes with me, and I take a pair that you can wear for casual looks and for smart looks. So these Common Projects Achilles Low in black do that perfectly. Now, I'd normally wear the shoes on my feet while traveling and just wear the same pair all weekend, but for the purpose of this video, I'm packing them. Next up is trousers. Now, a pair of black trousers I could quite honestly wear for the whole weekend. They're my go-to colour of trouser, and they just do everything. You can wear them for smart occasions, and you can wear them casually as well. And you'll find me in a pair of black trousers most of the year round anyway. But if you want a backup pair, then a pair of grey trousers will do nicely. Especially since I'm going to be packing some navy items later on, navy and grey go so well together. If you're more of a jeans person, of course you can take a pair of jeans, but jeans just aren't for me, so no thanks. Next up, pants and socks. I take 4 pairs of pants, or boxers, and 4 pairs of socks. I shower twice a day, so I always like to put on fresh underwear after a shower. So 4 pairs for 2 days might seem excessive, but I want to stay clean and feeling fresh. With my socks, I take 2 black pairs for smarter looks, a grey pair if I'm going to be wearing navy because I like navy and grey together, and then a colour of my choice. In this instance, I'm taking a light cream colour, mainly because a lot of the items I'm taking are dark in colour, so this breaks them up nicely. Next up, t-shirts. Now, I could wear white t-shirts every day, all day, but for the purpose of this video and to keep things spicy, I'm taking a black t-shirt and a white t-shirt. Both plain, both simple, both neutral, and they'll go with anything. And then I'm only taking 1 sweater with me, so I'm going to take a black one because I could wear this out for dinner quite easily, and I could also wear it as a casual look as well. Black always looks smart, so if in doubt, take some black items. It's always good to take a shirt in case, and I always go for a white Oxford, because again, you can wear this casually, or you can wear it dressed up. I don't often wear shirts, but it's nice to have an option just in case you do go somewhere smart. Don't follow my folding technique with a shirt, because you're definitely going to need an iron wherever you're going. And for my sake, I hope there's one where I'm going, otherwise I'm going to look a state. Cozies, it has to be done. I'm just taking a pair of cozy bottoms and just a t-shirt just to lounge about in. A scarf if you really want one, and a beanie. I'll just take the beanie. I don't really bother with a scarf that much, so no thanks. Next up, some reading. This is one with a cat on it. I like cats, so it's going in the bag. Then we place our wash bag on top, and we gracefully try and close the bag. And we've done it. Elegant, smooth, graceful. Now for a coat you can take an overcoat, you can take a raincoat. I've opted for a MAC because it does the job of both. It's shower resistant and it looks smart. And this is where my grey trousers will come in nicely because I like the navy look of the MAC with the grey trousers. And then for travel gear, I just wear something cozy or comfortable, or just stuff that I want to take as well, and just use myself as a clothes horse. So there you have it. That is how I pack for a weekend away. Very simple, very easy. I could almost close my weekend bag, but comparing that to how I used to pack, it's very light. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, feel free to subscribe down below, check out some of my other videos on my channel, and until next time, I will see you then. Cheers.